I'm Gina Mizell here with Connor Letourneau at Reser Stadium, where on Saturday night, Oregon State's season comes to a close with a 47-19 Civil War loss to Oregon. And, this was a game that obviously the Beavers were heavy underdogs, and the Ducks came out, and it was 30-0, it felt like, in a matter of minutes, and Oregon goes on to roll in this game. Obviously, this was a game that the Beavers needed to win to get bowl eligible. It did not happen, so the season is now over with no postseason for Oregon State.
It's definitely going to be interesting going forward because you're losing 9 starters on defense. You're losing, your veteran record-setting quarterback. And so there's a lot of major holes to fill on this team, and I'm not confident that this team's necessarily going to be better next year.
Yeah, you wrote a lot about those seniors and key guys. You mentioned Sean Mannion, a lot of guys on defense that have played in a lot of games. So this spring and moving forward, it'll certainly be interesting to see how everything develops. But, of course, Mike Riley was asked about a lot of those big picture things after the season. Just, will there be staff changes made? Will the offense change? Does the pro-style system still work in this type of day and age of college football? How does the defense get better? And he didn't really answer those questions, but certainly that's going to be really, really interesting to monitor in the coming weeks and in the coming months.
Yeah, you got to think that there's going to be some type of change after a 5-win season. It'll be definitely intriguing to monitor, though.
Yeah, absolutely. And again, not just a 5-win season, but they've lost 12 of their last 14 conference games. Of course, they've lost 7 in a row now to Oregon, and these are 2 programs that are going in very different directions, which causes fan unrest amongst the Beaver faithful. So we will still be here giving you all the updates during the offseason, maybe not on video every week, but all of our stories will be on OregonLive.com in the Oregonian each and every day. And so stick with us as the offseason rolls on. But again, Oregon State's season ends on Saturday night against Oregon, a 47-19 loss here at Reser Stadium. For Connor Letourneau, I'm Gina Mizell. We will catch you next time.